Horses out. We have Silver Glides past the begin. Cool Cielo in second. And in third, Perlin. Then followed over by Miss Pangaw. Moving up in between horses, Gobernadora, Trojan Knight, Stormtrooper. Then followed by Gallant Warrior and Cham is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Silver Glides, the leader by about 2 lengths. Perlin now moving up to take second. Cool Cielo drives back in third. 2 lengths for the back in fourth. Gobernadora, Gallant Warrior, Stormtrooper comes next. Then followed by Miss Pangaw, Trojan Knight, and Cham now racing in less. Silver Glides by only half a length. Then moving up Perlin on the outside. Cool Cielo in third. Gobernadora in fourth. Then followed by Gallant Warrior, Stormtrooper, Trojan Knight. And that's still Silver Glides by out an neck. Then on the outside is Perlin. Cool Cielo dress back in third. Then comes Gobernadora, Gallant Warrior, Trojan Knight remains in sixth. Stormtrooper. We have Perlin by out a length getting up. Silver Glides in second. Cool Cielo in third. And followed by Gobernadora, Trojan Knight. Perlin this time by about 2.5 lengths. Silver Glides, Cool Cielo, Gobernadora. But it's still Perlin by about 4 lengths now. And finally, Perlin second. Gobernadora, Cool Cielo. Then comes Silver Glides. Then followed by Trojan Knight, Stormtrooper.